Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your Surface Pro 3 meets minimum requirements for Windows 11. Confirm the tablet has at least 4 GB RAM and a 64-bit processor. Verify storage space by ensuring at least 64 GB free for installation. Check firmware updates through Windows Update and Surface app before proceeding. Back up your files to an external drive or to a cloud service before you begin. Charge the device to at least 50% and keep the charger connected during the entire process. Download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft and prepare a USB installer using Rufus. Choose the GPT partition scheme and target UEFI for best compatibility. If secure boot or TPM block setup, apply the registry bypass during setup to skip checks. Open Command Prompt and run regedit to create the required bypass TPM keys. Set USB as the primary boot device in the UEFI menu and save changes before you reboot the Surface. Keep the USB installer plugged in. When the installer starts, choose Custom Install and select the Windows partition to overwrite. Follow prompts to complete installation and enter your Microsoft account when requested. After the first boot, install Surface drivers from the Microsoft Update catalog for the Pro 3 specifically. Reinstall firmware patches and Surface UEFI updates to restore function for type cover and sensors. Run Windows Update repeatedly until no updates remain. Finally, open the Surface app to verify battery, display, and pen features are working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.